In this video, you'll learn how to dub audio or video content using ElevenLabs AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to upload your file, select languages, and create a dubbed version of your media. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to ElevenLabs.io. Once the page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed to the login interface. Enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one before accessing the dubbing features. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of ElevenLabs. From the dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, find the option labeled Dubbing. Click on Dubbing or Dubbing Studio to access the dubbing interface. This section is where you will upload your media file. To upload your file, look for the upload area within the dubbing interface. You can either drag and drop your video or audio file into this section or click to browse your computer. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can paste a YouTube link directly into the provided field and ensure your file meets any size limitations, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After uploading, you will need to select the languages for your dubbing project. First, choose the original language of your content. Next, select the language into which you wish to dub the media. This step is crucial for accurate transcription and translation. Once you've selected the languages, click on the button labeled Create Dub. At this point, the AI will begin to transcribe your audio, translate the content, and generate a new voice. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient while the system works on your request. After the AI completes its tasks, you will have the option to preview and edit the dubbed content. This allows you to fix any mispronounced words, change the voice used for dubbing, or adjust the timing of the audio to better match the original video. When you are satisfied with the edits, it is time to download your dubbed content. You can choose to export it as a dubbed video file, an MP3 or WAV audio file, or even as subtitles. Select your preferred format and follow the prompts to complete the download process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.